and an address or a room in Germany is very important, so that without that you cannot even start a part-time job, a social security number and a health insurance or even a bank account. So you're going to be very stuck without having an address or a room in Germany. So I will take you around like a quick trip around my apartment and will give you some tips and tricks to find your room and apartment in Germany. Getting an admission isn't this difficult to find an apartment in Germany. Like, it's getting very hard these days because students are coming and there isn't any infrastructure development. According to that, it takes a lot of time in Germany. So once you have already decided, the first tip, once you have already decided you're coming to Germany, start looking for your apartment. It's not gonna cost you anything, but you can start it right now. Once you put the application, don't wait for your admission to come, but start searching for apartment, start searching for people who live around you, make connections. Then, you know, there are apps like WG gesucht, eBay Kleinanzeigen. So these are one of the basically used or like most used apps in Germany to find apartments. So you just have to first make a profile, what you are, what are you gonna do, what kind of a person you are, what are your hobbies, how good of a person you are to be with. So put this bio and make a small note of it and send it to every person who have put an advertisement regarding an apartment offering in your place of interest. So one thing you should be very careful about is if you have at least a good knowledge in German, like an A2 or B1, it will help you a lot to connect with them in a better way, because some people just prefer people who can also speak German. So then your options are wide. Another way is to get into the Telegram groups. So many people might not be knowing this, but of course there is Telegram groups for rooms and apartments in Germany. So it might be in the name of WGs in Kassel or WG in Fulda, Berlin, rooms in Berlin. So these groups have their small network where they put their advertisement and offering just in this group. So the conversion rate is higher in this group because not many people know about this, not many people will be approaching them. So once you are a genuine person, genuinely looking for an apartment, you can really get one from these groups. Go be a part of the Telegram groups for your city or town or village, whatever it is. Start it now. Another thing you can do is start building networking, like through LinkedIn or whatever places it is. There will be Indian groups, or from whichever country you're coming, there will be groups and students. So try to communicate with them, tell them how difficult, of course everyone knows it's getting difficult. They might not be actually very helpful, it is very difficult for them also to find a room, but maybe what if they are moving, or you end up talking to the right person, and you can actually come like you can actually get to know about an apartment offering. So building a network. Another way is to widen your search. Like if you're looking for a room in Hamburg, don't just look rooms in the Hamburg city, but widen your search to the small towns and villages nearby. And trust me, since the connection in Germany is very high, like the connectivity and the transportation is very good, you will not find it difficult to take a train or a bus from the city, town or village nearby to come to the city. Or you will definitely have access to basic amenities. Maybe you have to travel for your university or part-time job, but this is very easy here. Like it's not going to be a hectic task for you. So widen your search to small towns and villages nearby. Also, once you apply to your dream university, make sure you apply for the WG or the student dorms, like student dorms in that university. It is very limited again, but there will be multiple of it. Like one university will not have just one hostel, but more than 10. So apply to every location of that university, like not very far, but if that university is surrounded by whichever student and hostels they have, apply, like give your preference, like okay, I am okay to get room in any of this. I don't pick like 1, 2, 3, but any. So that is another way to increase your opportunity, or increase your chance of getting into a good room or apartment. Sorry. So these are some tips or some strategies I use to find my room in Germany. So if you have more tips or hacks to find a room in Germany, please comment below. It will help people who are looking for an apartment. And all the best for your room search.